If you're searching for free AI image generator that doesn't run out of free tokens after 5 prompts, you need to bookmark this immediately. Available as a mobile app and in your browser, this platform gives you a whole social AI art community, unlimited and ultra-fast generations, beautiful renders, and live mixer to blend new styles instantly. No subscriptions, no hidden catches. Let's dive in. Okay, let's first try desktop version and immediately start creating something. Here on type to create in real time, for example, chubby black cat, and boom, immediately appears in a matter of seconds. Now in that same window, let's type something else. Wearing ornate. So let's add now gold knight armor. Now this is just amazing. Look at the cat wearing that intricate armor, sitting on a massive stone. Brilliant. Or we can just delete this, for example, on a super bike. Oh yeah, look at the bike and look at the cat. And then you can regenerate that same thing indefinitely just by clicking here. Nice. One more. This is amazing. Just regenerate until you find what you really like. Okay, so now let's head over to the mobile version and upload our own image. So here, click on image and let's upload a photo of this Ferrari. This automatically generated image to prompt and created different version of this Ferrari, which is great. You see, it looks very nice. Now what we can do here is click on this little icon to change anything. For example, make the car blue. Click, and in a matter of seconds, here we have a blue Ferrari. Then regenerate once again. Amazing. Then if we click here, we can then just swipe to create a different layout, because currently it is positioned here on the layout. So you see I'm just swiping up with my finger on my mobile phone. Once again, nice. Once again, amazing. I could do this all day, all for free. Oh yeah. Then for example, click on color and then again swiping. Now we have a purple one. Let's explore some additional colors. I really like this one. And by the way, all of those images stay on your profile and available to download. Let's swipe some more colors because I'm really amazed by this. Then for example, clicking on view. Nice, we have a different view of this Ferrari. Once again swiping. Now it's beneath the ocean. Now it's in some small city or village. Now we have this view, compressed. Now we have overhead panoramic. Once again, I could do this all day. Then clicking on the style. Brilliant. Or you can change here, for example, in style of oil painting. And here is our Ferrari. And then you get some suggestions. Flip to a beachy scene. Let's do that. Now it's here. Then, for example, give it depth. Oh yeah. Now, if you don't know what you would like to create by uploading your image or directly prompting, you can just scroll to your feed to find trending images and creators. So let's see what is interesting here. Very nice images. For example, this one here looks interesting. Now we can just click here, for example, and change different styles. Looking nice. Absurdity. Oh yeah, this is the image I would like to like. You know, this is kind of a social network for AI art, I would say. And then we can click on remix. And let's click on color. And now swipe different colors for this same image. You see? And I'm still amazed that this works in a matter of 1 second to create additional image. And there is no limit, completely unlimited. I really like this one. Let's put it as a favorite here. Then if you like some of the specific creators, you can click here, then search. And for example, I know this creator is pretty good. The Oasis Breeze. As I mentioned, this is kind of a social network, so I can follow him here. Let's do that. And let's see some of the art that he created. He has many different styles. So for example, this one looks very interesting. Let's click on it. And here you can also use so-called blocks. So for example, I don't know, for a place here, let's change all of that. Let's add Paris and preview. And now we have Paris Street at that similar style of the first image. And Eiffel Tower here, everything as you want. So, you know, you can do so many various different things. Let's flip it to pastel. Let's once again click absurdity. Pretty good. I don't know what will happen here. We got the suggestion here to make it raining cats. Let's click there. And here are the cats raining from the sky while still having that absurdity. And here is the overall prompt. So a lone figure in translucent rain poncho stands in a narrow night alley. Remember, we didn't write any specific prompt. You can also follow several different blocks. So here, if you click on blocks, and then you find, for example, something that you like this one, luminous fantasy art style. And then you can create many images with your own idea, but using that same style. So here we have this. Now I add, for example, cat. Now the cat is created in that luminous fantasy art style. Cat and a woman. Brilliant. Now if you were wondering, can you create famous people? So let's try. Donald Trump. And in a matter of seconds, here he is. Let's regenerate a couple of times. Once more. Now let's add different styles. Here, color. Let's swipe. Black and white. Now let's click on style. Oh yeah. Kalmakiri style. Barbizon school. Early Renaissance. Now we have a Renaissance Trump. We need to like this. And also mesh with medieval manuscripts. So this will get a mesh between different images. So here are the manuscripts, and here we have the Donny. Also Moody's, pretty nice, energetic, cozy, retro, brilliant, cosmic tranquility. I think it's enough of the Trump. Let's also try more prompts. So here when you click on create, you can choose on different aspect ratios. So 1:1, 4:3, 3:4, 69, everything. On settings, you can toggle on or off on create as you type. I like this real-time creation. You can lock seed to preserve some of the creations in that same consistency, or upload image as we already did. So now let's do something rather interesting. For example, I will write glass terrarium. Let's actually change it now to 3:4. Very good. Glass terrarium. Glass terrarium shaped like a human skull. Extremely good. Containing a glowing neon rainforest. Now we have something. Grammar typo. Even better. You see, you just change one word or refresh and it will create a different version. Now this image looks amazing. You can easily then share that image to your WhatsApp, to Pinterest, to Facebook, to X, to any of the social networks. And of course, you can download the image to your mobile phone or computer. Now let's continue our creation. So we have glass terrarium shaped like human skull containing a glowing neon rainforest. And now let's add, for example, tiny bioluminescent waterfalls. And look at those beautiful waterfalls here in that what we started as a glass terrarium. Now it's a skull of glass and everything is there beautifully. Good marketing idea. Someone should create that in real life. You can also create more standard things like world map, and boom, here it is. Or for example, wallpaper, pretty good wallpaper for your Windows or Mac. Now let's also try to create with some more complicated prompt so you can see in real time what is happening. So we have this prompt. It's a pretty long one. Let's paste it here immediately. In the realm where the laws of reality bend and warp, this really looks like laws of reality bending or warping. Then we have this one. Dreamlike realm, green-eyed dragon. We have everything here. So now let's try this spaceship made of flowers. Oh yeah, let's regenerate this one again. While an astronaut made of flowers dangles outside of space. Pretty amazing. And you see in the Van Gogh style. And let's try this vintage illustration of a woman painting colorful creatures. Really nice AI art, I would say. Let's recreate. And once more, great. I really like this purple creature here. And you see this becomes playful so fast and so easy. It's rather interesting to create, and I'm still amazed that this is all for free. And I would say there is no cheaper or faster or easier way to make AI art online, not even close. So open it up and create in first couple of seconds. You can head on to gentube.app, and if you're bored, curious, you would like to explore your imagination, come and make something. So link is in the description. I hope you really liked that showcase, and if you did, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.